Bishop Tibijuka atandikira no kubatiza ekanisa egi no kwigura ofisi z'oburiisa.
Befeso mukaga mushorongo w'ikumi nagira ngu ekyawo muhero tugumire hali Yesu tunga amani omuri Yesu.
Reverend Michael Bakasoma Olvika wa All Saints Church Bundibugyo ashabira abakristaayo kulinda ebyombeko by'ekanisa ebyombekirwe.
We need the people with the pure hearts. We need people who are honest. We need the people who are born again. Because even if you build a good church, the Bible says Jesus shall carry his church. He shall not take the building. He shall take the believers.
Take our children to school, invest the money that we are getting from Coco for us to be able to generate more wealth. Otherwise, the money is there, people are getting the money. Let us not spend the money during Christmas and everything is finished.
Abakristaayo basimire Bishop habwe ntunguka omu buriisa bwabo.
Turasima Bishop witu owisha mu kanisa yitu emyaka ebitu amara nawe atukolire bingi.
Kusima Bishop washa kanisa yato koto ebare ogoro no ofisi ya All Saints Church.
Omukoro gugubireho n'obujanja bwa busha kandi eki kikozirwe kwizuka omushaho Grace na Mukoba owatandikira okuburira enjiri omu irwariro lya Bundibugyo omwaka gwa 1979 aho oburebezo bwa West Rural Diocese bwatandikire. Omakuru agandi yabikiriza omu kanisa ya Rukondo behanangirizibwa okwega okugumisiriza kibahwere omukamiro mu kwikiriza kwabo. Ebi bigambiro hakusima kwa Reverend Milton Katwesi abo kusemyaka 12 omu buhereza n'emyaka 22 omu bushwere kandi ogu gubira hakanisa ya Rukondo mu busabadikono bwa Kitagata mu WestNehinda Diocese.
Insoro witacharo turugacharo kimonyo no mukazi wanje mbwenu nkebiyesa kora tukatandikira hagumire okurara omukazi kafunzire okujwara emparemwe okujwara emyenda y'entizano mbwenu turabira omu butembo na n'obushumu nico tusitamire tukagira ngo okusemyaka 22 we can't take it for granted. We have to sit down and thank God.
Embere kebetanguhi abo tukatandika tukumunonga tukaba turukubi konga tureba rahanga gumera natemera umuhanda ibitari turera hanga tukize abahanguzi.
Mukoro nigwo gumu yabikiriza bashabire kuva munonga amashomero g'amakanisa kurebuka ngo nago bagatungura.
So nimbaterero muranga kugira ngo mwayombekira amakanisa marungi kandi gagire n'amashomero marungi abo kuba abarukwija kuombeka amashomere amakanisa amahango nkagagombekirwe n'abashomiro mu mashomero abo.
Abahereza westakwirikweza kutunga ondijo tubantwindika kucya abo kwambatora nabo kutureterachi abakristaayo.
Gashakwa Daniel bingana na Onesmus Ndyamusiimanta.